Hello, friends. During our spiritual journey, we come across many questions like what is our mental state, how good we are doing, whether we are making a right progress or not, or we are on the right track. So, these are the questions which we come across and they keep lingering with us in our journey. But before we answer those questions, it is very important for us to understand what is the spiritual content and what is its pinnacle. So, when I say to myself, I will become a better person than what I am today, then I am accepting that I am lagging behind. But if someone else tells me that you have to become a better person, it hurts a lot. And all the promises which I have made to improve myself just wither away. I don't want to record any weaknesses in record books. But what about that which is logging every action of mine irrespective of whether I am doing it actively or passively, and that is spiritual content. It is not tangible, hence we don't feel its decay, unlike when a tissue is destabilized. But chaotic spiritual contents hurt a lot when we do introspection. It is same chaos which does not let us cogitate in silence. We come across such demonic entities which are our self-images raised because of our own devilish tendencies. So our effort should be focused on raising the spiritual contents to highest level of awareness. That is true awakening, and that what is called the pinnacle of spiritual content. कबीर मन निर्मल पया जैसे गंगा नीर पाछे लागा हरि फिरे कहत कबीर कबीर. O Kabir, my mind has become so soft, so pure, like water of river Ganges, that now the one formless Lord comes after me calling my name Kabir Kabir. And where are we? Can we get to such stage in this life or any other? Something we need to think about. We need to remember that we have a spiritual content. Everyone is born with it. It's our birthright more than the fundamental rights. May God bless us. Thanks a lot.